I'm back at it again with another vegetarian dish that will leave any boring or bland reputation behind. On the menu today is a spicy, creamy Chipotle vegetable lasagna. I used the recipe from the Food Network as the foundation and then just took it to another level entirely. This is everything you'll need. One thing I'd note is the original recipe said you can use Oaxaca cheese instead of mozzarella. However, for me, Oaxaca cheese was incredibly difficult to locate, and when I did find it, it was quite expensive. So I'm moving forward with mozzarella. Alright, let's start with the sauce. First, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Then add your 3 cans of corn drained. Next, add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes to get some light color and cook the garlic. You can use frozen corn instead of canned corn. I tried to look up the conversions online and it looks like you get 1.5 cups of corn from the can. So I'm going to go on record and say you can use 4.5 cups of frozen corn instead. Thawed, of course. Next, you hit it with 4 cups of heavy cream. Most people know 4 cups as a quart or 2 pints, but I'm here to say, make sure you get all 192 teaspoons in there. Next, add 2 to 3 Chipotles with some of the Adobo sauce. I ultimately used 3, but more on this later. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then cook at a simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes so the flavors come together. Remember to stir the pot regularly. With a minute to go, add 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. Then cook for another minute and remove from the heat. Transfer the whole concoction into a blender and blend it into a sauce. This is what you should end up with. It's best to make this sauce a day in advance to let the flavors come together. You might taste it right out of the blender and think, this might need another chipotle pepper or 2. Try tasting it the next day if you make it a day in advance and see if you still feel that way. Now on to the filling. Melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 2 sliced medium onions. Cook these down for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Stir them around often so they don't burn and so you look like you're actually cooking. Get them down to around this point, then add 2 sliced zucchinis. Next, add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cook this down for about 5 to 7 more minutes, stirring often until the zucchini starts to soften. Then season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir well to combine. Last is a can of chopped green chilies. If you happen to be a far superior person than the rest of us and want to roast your own peppers, it should be about a cup of chopped green chilies like poblanos or something similar. Just combine for a minute. And that's it for the filling. Now it's time to assemble. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start with a layer of sauce on the bottom of the pan. Next, down with a layer of no-boil lasagna noodles. Next, add a layer of the vegetable filling. Try to spread it as evenly as possible. Next, add a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then add a layer of your Chipotle cream sauce. This completes one cycle. Then you keep repeating until you run out of ingredients. Noodles, filling, cheese, sauce, repeat. Top the last layer of noodles with sauce and a healthy portion of cheese. Now cover with foil and bake for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, you should have this. And you're almost there. Now broil it for another 10 minutes or so to get that picture-worthy golden brown crust that looks something like this. And there you go. You should let this rest for 30 minutes or so before you cut into it. This is a recipe you'll be making more than once. I can guarantee it. People will request it and ask for the recipe. Luckily, there's a video for that. That reminds me, remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the Unputdownable channel. Thanks for watching.